Hello everyone, today I will be cooking stir-fried Chinese broccoli with beef. And with this I used about 14 stalks of Chinese broccoli, minced garlic, I used about 10 cloves, beef thinly sliced, I used about a cup and a half of beef. You want to cut the stems and you want to cut the leaves out, and you want to put them aside. You want to separate the stems from the leaves. Wash them thoroughly. Here are the leaves. You want to cut them apart, or you can actually cut them into halves. It's all up to you. This is your stir fry. And the stems, you want to actually cut them diagonally so that way they look presentable. And also that's how my mom cooks it. Next, you want to heat up your pan. Heat up your skillet. Add some oil. And that's my sister stir fry sauce that she made. Add about a teaspoon. Now also I kind of skip a step due to some video technical difficulty. I actually stir fried the garlic until they're golden brown, and then I add about a spoonful of sugar. And after that, I just actually added the beef after I actually added the sugar. Stir fried it for a couple minutes. Now you want to actually add your fish sauce. And you also want to add your soy sauce. And with the fish sauce, you want to actually add about a spoonful or to your tasting. Next, after a couple minutes, you want to actually add your stems first because they are the toughest part of the Chinese broccoli. Keep stirring it. You want to make sure you mix them well. Yep. Don't be afraid to actually, stir it in. Make sure they're fully coated. You want to cover it for about a minute and a half. Uncover it. Now you want to actually stir fry it again. Cover it again for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, pour about a cup and a half of water. Now you want to stir fry it again. While you're doing that, also do some taste testing to see if you're missing anything. Now you want to actually add the leaves to the last part. Add about a spoonful of salt. Now you also want to eyeball it as well. So this is home cooking. So you do it to your tasting. You just want to stir fry it. Mix all the leaves and the sauce and the meat all together so they're fully coated with the sauce. Now while I'm doing this, I'm actually lowering my heat to low. Alright, just keep stirring that. Look how beautiful and delicious that looks. Now this is about 3 minutes into the stir frying. There you go. I like to serve it on top of white rice, or actually on the side of white rice with my Thai chilies on the side, or any hot chili peppers on the side. Enjoy.